For the first statement, patay na ba ang people power?
Hinding-hindi mamamatay ang people power as long as may korupsyon, may mga pag-iinutil ng mga gobyerno sa karapatan ng mga tao, pag may mga panggagago na nangyayari sa human rights, as long as buhay yon na hindi pa na bibigyan pansin, patuloy na mabubuhay at ilalaban ng diwa ng people power.
I think that I would really be optimistic about this, that even though efforts have been disconcerted, I still believe in the power of the voice of the people, and they remain to be challenged, but still we have a lot of resources for them to be amplified.
I agree na while it's rooted in hope, it's also rooted in the shared idea that everyone is suffering, and that suffering has to stop.
Yes.
And that will drive the past generation, our generation, and hopefully the next generation of like activists and other people who participate in that fight. So yeah.
Ako, I think how I see EDSA kasi is obviously there are pockets of like resistance, pockets of wanting social change, but I think that in order for us to confront the realities in status quo, I think we must move past EDSA. They put premium on like peaceful protests. They put a lot of premium about glamorizing this revolution, but the promises of EDSA, like land reform, a genuinely democratic representation of our political systems, I think those promises are yet to be achieved. And while I do understand that the spirit of wanting that still happens today, I just think that at this point, we need to move past EDSA and parang the notion of EDSA revolution. So yun, I think EDSA is dead.